Let's build the all MSI gaming PC. Okay, the all MSI PC is finally built. Let's see if it boots in 1, 2, 3. It does.